I think that the stay-at-home entrepreneur is going to be a threat to the stay-at-home employee. 1,000%. I love the concept that you gave because everything that you stated was true. But how soon are these Fortune 500 companies going to figure out that the guy that I'm paying $18 an hour, who's an American, that is a stay-at-home employee for my company, that is doing nothing but work from his computer, can easily be delegated to someone who lives in the Philippines at $6 an hour. And so this whole idea of stay-at-home employment is no longer secure. You and I have seen the other side of it.
Facts.
We know what individuals in another country are very well and capable of doing, and it's almost 10x what most Americans are willing to do because our society is built on people being lazy. Over there, you have grind, you have grit, you have hustle. Over here, we're 1% of the population, aka where you and I are at in entrepreneurship, that actually are aligned with the idea of doing more than what we get paid for so that we can get paid for more than what we do.